Hello gadget friends, this video was recorded on V20 launch event. So this is Honor V20. So let's see on the back side of this phone. This color is midnight black. Wow, you can see reflective surface. It called Light for Honor. This back cover with nano texture technology. On the bottom, speaker and charging port, USB Type-C. On the left side, dual SIM card slot. On the right side, there are power and volume button. On the top, V20 still use jack audio. On the front, punch hole with front camera. This is about phone. Now let's see the camera. V20 has many camera modes. Still curious? You can try and buy it. Thank you for watching.